The WYZE Floodlight Camera V2 delivers impressively sharp 2K high-definition video with color night vision, making it easy to identify people and details even in low light. Its wide viewing angle and responsive motion detection cover a large portion of your yard or driveway, so you are less likely to miss activity near your home. The dual motion-activated floodlights are extremely bright yet dimmable, providing strong illumination for safety while also discouraging unwanted visitors. Custom motion zones, ambient light options, and dusk to dawn automation let you fine-tune how and when the lights and camera respond, which helps reduce nuisance alerts. Continuous local recording to a micro SD card, combined with two-way audio and a loud built-in siren, gives you practical tools for both documenting events and actively deterring intruders. With weather-resistant construction, wired power, and straightforward app-guided setup that works with popular voice assistants, this floodlight camera feels dependable for long-term outdoor use.